how to fix cannot start game or app on the PS5. I'm going to show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, go into settings. Now here you want to go into users and accounts, then scroll down to other, click on it, then restore licenses. Here you want to select the app or game which is not working for you, and then you will click on restore. Okay, so once you click on restore, see if that fixes it for you. If it doesn't, we can proceed to the second fix, which is going to be going back and going into system. Here you will go into system software update and settings and update system software. Update using the internet and make sure you have the latest version of the software for PS5. Okay, once we have done this as well, we can proceed to the last step, which is gonna have to do with your connection, going to network. Then you wanna go into settings, set up internet connection. Here you wanna find your Wi-Fi and press this button, and you will go and change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to automatic if it's not set already. And then you will go into advanced settings, go into DNS settings, manual, and you want to type this. Primary DNS is going to be 1.1.1.1, and the secondary DNS is going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK. This is going to reconnect you with the internet, and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.